hello, 안녕, Ray입니다. 반갑습니다. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Ray, and if you don't know who I am, that is okay because you can find out more about me here on all social media platforms. My skin type is oily, sensitive, reactive, dehydrated, and sometimes, depending on the season and the climate, I can also be a combination skin type. If you are a part of the skincare community, then you might have heard of today's brand. That's right, we are covering Vegreen today. I'm not sure if it's Vegreen or Vegreen. I'm gonna go with the Vegreen because their logo has a little V or a check mark. I recently heard of this brand on social media when a lot of influencers started to post this brand's products on their pages. Their snail mucin products, and I should really put air quotes around snail, their mucin products are actually made with wild yams instead of snail. They created this alternative mucin because they are a 100% vegan brand. Their name, Vegreen, is actually a combination of the words vegetables and green. And of course, that goes to show how much they care about using vegetables and not animal products. On this channel, I review Asian skincare products so that you can shop with confidence. I am so happy to announce that today's video is of course sponsored by Vegreen. Sponsorships help pay my rent, so I take them very seriously. And of course, you guys already know I only work with brands that I genuinely care about and want to learn more about them. And Vegreen was so nice to reach out to me because they wanted to work with me, and I honestly couldn't turn that down. Although this video is a paid sponsorship, everything I say in this video comes from my own personal experience. If you have any serious skin concerns, please consult your trusted dermatologist or esthetician. With that being said, let's check out Vegreen's products. Let's go! 우리 가자! Let's begin this review with a product that I requested from Vegreen. When they first reached out to me, I told them that I must try their Reishi serum. I grew up drinking Reishi soup because my mom told me this ingredient is very good for my health. Reishi, if you did not know, is a type of mushroom that is super bitter. East Asians have used Reishi for centuries as a medicinal herbal drink to maintain metabolism, immunity, and overall health. In Korean, it's pronounced Yeongji, and in Cantonese, it's pronounced Lingji. And Reishi, of course, is the Japanese name for this mushroom. So when I first saw that Vegreen uses Reishi as a key ingredient in one of their serums, I had to see for myself. I was like, this is literally like equivalent to ginseng. Ginseng, I feel like, is pretty up there. I've tried ginseng in skincare before, which is another super ingredient with really rich antioxidants. There is nothing Reishi cannot do for our overall health and, of course, our skin. It's an antioxidant that fights free radicals and reduces premature wrinkles. It's also an excellent hydrator that keeps our skin plump. This serum is also formulated with many fermented ingredients to protect our natural skin biome. And these fermented ingredients are lactobacillus ferment, lactococcus ferment lysate, Saccharomyces ferment, Streptococcus thermophilus ferment, and bacillus ferment. A lot of ferments and a lot of like silus and is and kus, and that's why I left all those names on the screen for you. And with a healthy skin biome, your skin barrier can function much better. My experience with the serum was incredible. It's everything I expected, and I'm so glad I asked Vegreen to send this over. It has a very thin, watery texture that sinks into my skin very quickly. None of Vegreen's products contain fragrance, so anyone can use their products worry-free of sensitivity. The main difference I noticed in my skin after I incorporated this serum into my skincare routine is that I have a healthier complexion and a more noticeable plumpness. I really like applying this serum on my neck to smooth out the fine lines down there. Overall, this is a serum that can be added to any routine. It's not harsh or intrusive against active ingredients like vitamin C or retinol. It's very gentle. Vegreen did everything absolutely right about this serum. A+. I have nothing bad to say about the serum. Literally absolutely nothing. I can't find one flaw about the serum, from packaging to how the product functions. This is easily a holy grail status right now. The moment I started using it, I was like, this is the one. I guess the one thing I can criticize about the serum is that maybe Vegreen can give us a larger bottle. 50 milliliters is not too bad, I want to say, for this pricing, but I would love to see like an 80 or 100 milliliter in the future. Thank you, Vegreen. The next product is a brand new product by Vegreen. This is their intensive vitamin C ampoule with 20% of vitamin C. To be more specific, this ampoule contains 14% of ascorbic acid and 6% of ethyl ascorbic acid. By now, we should all be pretty familiar with the differences between ascorbic acid and ethyl ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is vitamin C in its purest form, and it's actually very unstable. Ethyl ascorbic acid, on the other hand, is a more stable version of vitamin C. This version of vitamin C is perfect for those who have sensitive skin but still want the benefits of vitamin C. This is because ethyl ascorbic acid is not as stinging as pure vitamin C. Both forms of vitamin C help stimulate collagen in our skin in order to produce and push out new skin. Another great ingredient that we have in this ampoule is alpha-bisabolol. If your skin is in need of healing from sun damage or post-acne hyperpigmentation, this ingredient is great in speeding up that process of healing. This ampoule has, I believe, a total of 9 ingredients, and none of them is water. This waterless formulation reduces the chances of oxidation in our ascorbic acid, but of course there's really no way of stopping ascorbic acid from oxidizing. What we can really do is slow down that process. And because it's waterless, we get a very concentrated ampoule with maximum benefits. The texture might look watery, but it has a very oily feel to it. Though it feels oily, it's actually not suffocating or too occlusive. I normally use this ampoule after my toner and before my moisturizer. There is no fragrance in this ampoule, so you will get that whiff of that slightly unpleasant smell of ascorbic acid. Yes, I'm talking about that metallic, almost like iron smell. But I will say that this is definitely not as bad as some of the other vitamin C products I've used in the past. Moving on to my experience with this ampoule. I liked it, very honestly, I liked it. At first, it did sting my skin very slightly, but there was no irritation. It also has a slightly moisturizing effect when you first apply it onto your skin, but it does go away very quickly. So you will need to add a very nourishing moisturizer after using this ampoule to maintain the moisture level in your skin. My main concern is this ampoule's pump bottle packaging. Pump bottles, and I can actually say this with 100% confidence, are not effective in keeping vitamin C fresh. I don't care if it's airless pump, I don't care if it's a regular pump. Every time I've used a vitamin C product in the past that has a pump bottle packaging, my vitamin C will oxidize, Godspeed. Under a month, I would get this yellow, orangey, sometimes even like dark red color of my vitamin C, and I would have to throw it away. However, since this ampoule comes in only 30 milliliters, I can see myself finishing this ampoule very quickly. You can also keep this ampoule in the fridge to prolong the freshness of the vitamin C, and this ampoule is quite affordable for a waterless, high percentage vitamin C ampoule. Overall, I am rating this ampoule an A. This is perfect for beginners who have never used the vitamin C serums before. Also, I don't know if I mentioned this already, but the texture is perfect. Absolutely gorgeous. No stickiness at all. I wouldn't say it's a matte finish. I would say like it's more of a satin kind of finish once it settles down, but for sure it is not sticky. I would definitely purchase a new one once I'm done with this one. We've come to the end of this video. So far so good, Vegreen. I am glad I got to try a serum that caught my eye and a product that was newly launched by this brand. I think I love the Reishi serum a little more only because it has a very unique ingredient. Thank you to the PR team at Vegreen for sending over these products for me to try. 감사합니다. As usual, I will leave the product links to these two products in the down bar below for you guys to check out in case you guys were interested. Please help this channel grow by subscribing and sharing this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Until then, be safe, stay hydrated, and most importantly, be gentle with yourself. I mean it. 안녕. Come back for more. 주세요. 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 Vegreen.